Welcome back, first grade. We are ready for worksheet 123. Today we talked about digraph EI. That says A or E. We are going to practice reviewing our sounds. Remember to repeat the sound with me and then write the letters on the line. Number 1, or. Combination OR, or. Number 2, qua. Combination Q-U, qua. Number 3 has 4 different spellings. The sound is E, comma E, final comma Y, E. Today we talked about digraph EI saying E, but it's not very common, so we didn't add it. Number 4 has 3 spellings. I, consonant E, comma I, final Y. I. Number 5, oi. Diphthong OI, final diphthong OY. Oi. Number 6 has 6 different spellings. The sound is k. K, comma C, final digraph CK, comma K, comma KE, comma C. K. Number 7, R. Combination AR says R. Number 8, ow. Diphthong OU, final diphthong OW. Ow. Number 9 has a few different spellings. The sound is ch. Digraph CH, final digraph CH, comma trigraph TCH. And number 10 has 4 different spellings. This sound is J. J, comma G, final trigraph DGE, comma GE. J. Let's practice spelling a few words. For number 11, let's spell the word also. Also is A-L-S-O. Also. Number 12, the word is always. Always. A-L-W-A-Y-S. Always. Today we talked about digraph EI. Remember, EI can say A or E. We are going to spell some words with digraph EI. Number 13 is weird. W-E-I-R-D. Weird. Number 14, the word to spell is either. E-I-T-H-E-R. Either. In number 15, the word is vein. Vein. V-E-I-N. Vein. So now let's practice coding and reading words with digraph EI. So for number 16, I see digraph EI, so I'm going to underline that. So remember, this can say E or A. So if it's pronounced with an E, this is the eel, or it can say A, the ale. We want this to say veil, so we're going to leave it how it is. A veil, like what a bride wears at a wedding. Okay. Number 17 is a compound word, so divide between the N and D. The first word has digraph EI to underline. We want this to say a, rain, so we're going to leave it like that. For the second word, we have digraph EE to underline. The first E is long, the second E is silent. Ear, reindeer, reindeer. That matches our picture. I think we talked about number 18 already. It does look like we have a suffix, but if we cover that up, we don't have a root word left. Okay, so let's go ahead and code it how it is. We have digraph EI. This time the E is making the long sound and the I is silent. We have digraph NG. This C is followed by an E, so it actually needs a cedilla. It's going to sound like S. We have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern with a short I. Eel, ing, ceiling, ceiling. That first syllable is accented. Number 19 has a suffix, suffix ed. Put a box around that. Digraph EI again. The E is making the sound, the I is silent. We need a K back on the first C and a cedilla on the second. We're left with a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So we'll divide between the N and C, which means this O is closed in. It actually is going to get a schwa because it is following the C. This word is difficult to read. This word is conceited. And for number 20, we have digraph EI. Again, the E is making the sound, the I is quiet. We have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, and this time the O is open. We did this word earlier. This word is protein. Protein. Let's practice a few more words at the bottom. Number 21 is a compound word, so let's divide that. In the first word, the A is followed by L. We talked about this yesterday. It will say aw. So we put 2 dots above it. This word is ball. Then for the second word, we have combination AR. Arc. Ballpark. Ballpark. Number 22 is a compound word. We have digraph SH to underline. And the I is closed in, so we'll put a brief. Combination ER. And the A is following the W. So it gets 2 dots. It will say aw. We actually have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. So it's going to be divided again. So we have d-ish, Dishwater. Dishwater. Number 23 has I, consonant E. We still have another vowel, so we have vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. Since the A is alone, it's going to say so we put that schwa. Alive, alive. Number 24 has suffix ing. Put a box around that. We can go ahead and put our accent mark because it has a vowel. We have diphthong OI. Boil, boiling. And number 25 has final stable syllable, TION. Put your bracket in your accent mark. The O is open, so we'll put a macron. This word is lotion. Lotion. That's what the girl is putting on in our picture. We are getting into more difficult coding. So great job reading and working with me. For your homework today, you have several sentences and paragraphs to read and questions to answer. Don't forget to practice your words at the bottom of the page. Great job today, first grade.